All my life long I have panted for a drink from some cool spring that I hope would quench the burning of the thirst I felt within. Oh, hallelujah, I have found Him, whom my soul so long hath craved. Jesus satisfies my Lord.